everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back, kind of back, to share some videos with you guys. But this is something easy for me. But I wanted to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for May 19th through May 25th. It is going to be kind of a slow week, which is nice to kind of take a break, because I know everybody's getting busy in May, getting ready for summer and everything, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. But as you guys see, they're really promoting Red Nose Day, which I can't remember the exact day on that. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. But they do have some deals that I could catch. Right here we got Crest toothpaste for $2.99. It is included the toothbrushes, the floss, the mouthwash, and the toothpaste. So it looks like there's going to be an online coupon for $1, so you guys can do that. So there'd be $2.99 with those $1 off coupons. When you buy 3, you guys will get a $5 register reward. So basically you guys would pay $5.97, get the $5 register reward. It comes out to be like 97 cents or 32 cents a piece if you guys are interested in that. Listerine is when you spend 10, you get $5 in points. So that's a deal you do not want to pay with points. But if you guys are interested with that, they also have Deal of the Week, which is Oxy for $3.99. We are getting a $2 off digital coupon, it looks like, for $1.99. It's an okay deal. So if you guys are brand loyal, it's an okay price to pay. Chips are $1.88 with, was it Labor Day? No, Memorial Day coming up soon. It's a great time to buy chips if you guys are interested in that. Here we got root beer pop for 3 for $7.99. I think that's actually a pretty decent deal. I usually try to get 4 for $10, so that's $8. So that's actually a pretty decent deal. I need to stock up on root beer anyways, because root beer is my favorite. But other than that, for the front page, that's pretty much it. They just started doing the paperless coupons for that. Here is the last page. They've been doing it differently, but the last page, nothing's really popping out at me. For deals, Dove is buy one get one 50% off. If you spend 15, you get 3,000 points. They got Charmin or Bounty Essentials for $4.99 with an online coupon for $1, making it $3.99. So it's up to you guys if you need that stuff. Here they got a great deal, and I'm going to do this deal again. This is actually better than the deal that's going on right now. Right now these are 99 cents with a coupon, but for starting this Sunday, they have it buy one, you get 2 free. So you guys would pay $2.79 for 3 of them, but then you get them for 93 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty great deal. I'm definitely going to get more of those because now with the baby and diapers, I need more. So we got that. Hefty, $6.99. I don't know if there's any coupons. All or Snuggle is buy one, get one free. I don't know if the coupons are still good. I don't think they're good anymore, but it's up to you guys. But you can only use 1 coupon for that deal. Fruit Loops or Kellogg's cereal, there's a 50-cent off coupon, making it $1.49. There may or may not be deals in the apps. I've just been kind of out of the couponing world lately. But Lysol is buy one get one 50% off. There might be, yeah, the toilet cleaner. We did have some 75-cent off coupons, and you guys can use 2 of those. So it's up to you. Digital coupon for 25 cents for Dawn dish soap, making them 74 cents. Now we're going, the olives, they're always 99 cents or 2 for $1. It's always that way. So there's that. More food deals. They got coupon savings for $1 off of 4. But then you guys could also, if the deal's still on Ibotta, you could also submit a 35-cent rebate if your store has the wavy chips. Like I said, I'm still kind of out of the couponing thing. Butterfinger and Crunch, these are 2 for $1. I love stocking up on the candies. I actually saw somebody make something with cookies with Butterfinger, so I want to try to make that. So those are great filler items. Sorry, my doorbell's going off. More drinks, not much anything else that's really sticking up. If you guys are interested in Budweiser or Bud Light, now this is different for everybody because it's all different regions, but they're $9.99, and then you get a savings reward on your next purchase for $3 off. So I don't know, I don't drink beer, but there's that. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We do have the 3 off of 2 coupon in the coupons. Plus, there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so you guys will get those for $1 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. They have Colgate Toothpaste for $3.99. It says there's an online coupon for $1. We are getting 50-cent coupons this Sunday. I don't know what's the better deal. They might surprise us with a digital coupon, but it does say if you guys spend, or if you buy 2, you get a $4 in points, so 4,000 points. So there might be something that surprises us with that, and I think there is going to be. All May Revlon, you get an $8 register reward when you guys spend $15. So, and I don't know if there's Revlon coupons out there. I'm not sure when they expire, but there is that. They got Gillette razors, $7.99. There's a $3 off digital coupon. When you guys buy 2, you get 3,000 points. Dentex is buy one, get one free. Plus, we got $1.50 off of 2. So you guys can use one coupon for buy one, get one free items. A lot of people don't know that, but you can. So that might be a pretty good deal, depending on the price of how much they cost in the store. They got Crest, Oral-B, and Burt's Bees dental care, so select toothbrushes, toothpaste, mouthwash, and floss for $4.99. Not sure what coupons are out there, but if you guys buy 2, you get 4,000 points. So we got that. Now we're getting to the medicines and the vitamins. Buy one, get one free. I'm going to start buying tons of vitamins for the baby. Other than that, this is the boring section of the ad. Here they got lots of toys. Buy one, get one 50% off. It looks like indoor or outdoor living accessories. When you spend $10, you get 2,000 points. So if you need to buy some stuff, there's that. And then some photos. 15 cents each for 4x6s, but you have to order 75 of them. So if you guys are making a photo album, go for that. And that is it for the Walgreens ad preview. It's kind of a little bit of a slow week, but hey, that's okay with everybody getting busy for summer. It's nice to take a little couponing break. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.